Teddy's rolling over. Teddy, yay! Woohoo! He started his rolling over days, huh? Let's get you rolled back over. We'll do it again. Okay, let's see if you can do it again. Do you think you can? Oof, those are some treats. Can you roll over, Teddy?
I got ice cream, Teddy.
Ice cream?
Yeah.
Roll over, Teddy, roll over. Can you do it? He did it! And it's the other way this time.
I got ice cream, Mom.
Hey, Oliver, got some candy somewhere?
Yeah.
Where'd you find that?
From the table.
Yay for Teddy!
Yay for Oliver.
Yay for Oliver.
Uptown, funk you up. Uptown, funk you up. Uptown, funk you up. Uptown, funk you up. I said dance, jump on it. If you sexy, then flaunt it. If you freaky, then own it. Don't brag about it, come show me. Dance, jump on it. If you sexy, then flaunt it. It's Saturday night and we in the spot. Don't believe me, just watch. Come on. Bo. Bo bo do bo bo do bo bo. Bo bo do bo bo do bo bo.
He did it.
Silly Teddy Dad.
He did it.
Daddy, spit on me.
He just spit up on me, so he doesn't have much left in there. Whee! Hi! Oh, oh, oh.
What?
Hey. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, 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 hey. Ooh, bananas. Ooh, bananas.
This is Teddy, and he's having his first food with a spoon. He's had bread. He sucks on bread sometimes, but this is his first time having some like food out of a spoon, eating like a big kid, and he's doing amazing, especially for his first time. Look how well he's doing. He could actually probably eat this entire thing. That's pretty impressive. Look at how well he chews.
Bye.
He gets most of it in his mouth too. That's the impressive thing. And he's begging for more. He's just begging. Want to hear Teddy beg? Let's hear it. Please, more, Mom. Please. Yummy. Hi, yummy. Here's Teddy. This is one of his first time eating with a spoon. And he totally loves it.
It needs to go in.
He's eating peaches.
It's in here.
Okay, but it's gonna get really hot.
It's all good.
Yum, yum, yum. He's good at holding onto that spoon. He's hungry. Huh. Yum, 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 yum. Yummy, yummy.
It's almost done.
Oliver, I think it is done.
And it needs to go in here.
Yummy! Yay! Teddy ate this entire container on his first time. He's a big boy. Whoop. See, look, he ate the whole thing. And he's still hungry? He's probably gonna spit it all up, huh? Huh? Probably. Teddy, are you gonna roll?
He did roll.
Are you gonna roll? Don't step on him, please.
I jumped.
No, I didn't step on him. He doesn't like that, honey. Can you roll over, Teddy? Here,
No.
take your foot off of him. Thank you. Teddy gets too excited. Trying to sit up. Woo! Where you going, Teddy? Where you going? Huh? Yay! Oh, you want to touch it?
Not touch it.
Oh!
Boom.
You okay? That was quite the bonk. And that's the face of Teddy.
I bonked.